Hi there, this is Adrienne Green, Realtor at Sampson Properties, and I am down here in Myrtle Beach right now because I have an investment property down here. So today I want to talk about what it's like to have a non-local investment property and what I'm doing this week while I'm down here in Myrtle Beach. So it is the beginning of May and we just came down to get the house checked on and ready for the spring and summer season. And what that's meant for us is, first off, since we're spending at least 50% or more of our time working on the house, we can write off this trip. But keep in mind that it's not a vacation. We are spending 50% or more of our time getting this house ready. There are certain things that we knew we would have to do that are on our regular periodic list of getting the house ready when we come down at least twice a year to do this. So the first is replenishing the consumable supplies. So hand lotion or hand soap, toilet paper, paper towels, trash bags, things like that that get used up. We have to buy more of it. So that's part of what we do down here. Take a look at our inventory and buy more if we need it. We also check out things like sheets, bedspreads, things like that. Make sure all of that stuff is in good working order and see if any of that has been worn out and needs to be replenished. Then we're also checking those items that last a lot longer, right? We're checking the furniture. We're making sure all the furniture is still in working order, that nothing is broken and needs to be repaired or replaced. Mattresses, mattress covers, things like that. So mattress covers, for example, if you have an investment property, you want to have those mattress covers that keep the mattress from getting any bugs, stains, things like that, right? You want to take the sheets off the mattress and check that those mattress covers don't have any rips or tears in them, all right? So those are some of the things. You may also, even though we have fabulous cleaners, sometimes there's things that have kind of been overlooked. So I find we often end up doing some extra special cleaning. We cleaned off our dining set this time. I thought the dining table and chairs just needed a little extra, and so we took them out back and hosed them down and soaped them up and hosed them down again. So that was another special task we did. Now, with it coming into the summer season, we also scheduled and had an HVAC tune-up while we were here, and I'm glad we did because the technician did find that the capacitor wasn't functioning properly. So then we had to make another appointment to have the HVAC company come back out and replace that faulty capacitor. So hopefully now we have a HVAC that will be functioning well throughout the summer season. We also do things like checking all the light bulbs while we're here. Yes, our cleaners check those periodically, but sometimes that can get missed, that a light bulb is burned out or things like that. So we just like to be an extra set of eyes, because even with fabulous cleaners or other maintenance people around, they're not the same as owners, okay? They do a wonderful job, but it's not the same as if they have skin in the game and it's their house that they need to make money from. So we like to, like I said, come down at least twice a year in the spring and in the fall, check things, replenish things, and do tasks like that. Sometimes we might do touch-up painting or replace, the kitchen. That's another big one. It's always kind of a fun game of what's disappeared in the kitchen and what have we come to, what has appeared, I guess would be how I want to put it. And so we did pick up a few different things at stores at the first part of the week to replenish items that were either used or taken from the kitchen. So that's what we're kind of doing this week, and I will tell you, it is easy to end up spending 50% or more of your time on an investment property when you're in the area. Not a problem at all to spend all that time and make things fabulous. So that's what we're doing, and that's something to consider if you're looking at buying a non-local investment property. That you have to go down there and get some boots on the ground, eyes in person on things, and what some things are that you usually have to do. So thanks for taking a watch. I do a lot of investing videos, so if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Adrienne Green, Realtor at Sampson Properties.